In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Onedrive link. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Microsoft account. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the Microsoft account login page. There, you'll enter your email address and password to sign in. If you've set up two-step verification for added security, make sure to complete that as well to access your account safely. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find the app's launcher, which looks like a grid of small squares. It's typically located in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on this icon, and you'll see a menu of different applications. From this list, select OneDrive, which will take you directly to your files stored on the platform. Now that you're inside OneDrive, direct your attention to the left side panel, which is labeled as My Files. Click on this tab to access all the documents, images, and other files you have stored. Take a moment to look through your files until you find the specific file or folder you want to share. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over the file or folder, and then right-click to bring up an additional menu. In this menu, you'll want to choose the Share option. Doing so will open up a sharing menu that offers a variety of ways to customize how you share your files. Within this sharing menu, you have the option to select who can access your file or folder. If you choose anyone with the link can view, the recipient will only be able to view the content, which is a great choice for sharing documents that don't need any modifications. Alternatively, if you select anyone with the link can edit, the recipient will have the ability to make changes to the document or the contents of the folder. This setting is perfect if you need to collaborate with others. Once you've decided on your sharing settings, look for the Copy Link button, which is usually found towards the lower part of the sharing menu. Clicking this button will automatically copy the link to your clipboard. From there, you can share this link via email, chat, or any messaging platform you prefer. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to share a OneDrive link with others. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your files are easily accessible to whoever you choose, with settings tailored to your needs. Whether you're collaborating on a work project or sharing your favorite photos, OneDrive makes it straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials for all your tech needs.